garden ideas for stunning landscape. Welcome to our channel. We explore the world of garden design ideas and landscape decor. In this video, we'll share inspiring ideas to transform your outdoor space into a botanical paradise, from flower beds to patio design. You covered. Let's dive in. If you are new here or if you like these ideas, first of all, if you like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon, and this video share to your friends and family members. Nothing adds charm to a garden like beautifully curved flower beds. Consider creating themed beds such as a cottage garden with a mix like roses, lavender and dyes. No crepe, varying heights and textures for a visually interested. And don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas. So enjoy the video. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video, share to your friends and family members. Crafting a captivating landscape involves more than just planting flowers. Think about crafting elements like winding pathways, water features, and focal points such as shades, ornamental trees. Pay attention to balance and symmetry, but don't be afraid to add visual touches for a personal touch. Your garden patio is an extension of your living space, so make it inviting and functional. Choose durable materials like natural stones or compost desking for longevity. Create distinct zones for dining, lounging, and entertaining, and add cozy touches like outdoor rugs, comfortable seating, and soft lights for ambience. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden ideas. Use them as a canvas for artistic expression. Hang decoration mirrors to reflect light and create illusion of space. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or novice, these garden ideas will help you to create a outdoor sanctuary, from vibrant flower beds and tranquil patio retreats. Don't forget like, share, subscribe for more garden inspiration.